Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can create a Facebook page. It's pretty simple. First you want to click on menu at the bottom right and then go on this option called pages. Inside pages you can see the option called create. Click on create. Over here at the bottom click on where it says get started, and first it's going to ask you to write a page name. So I will write myself a page name called food resort. So I'm just going to write food resource. After it's done, I will click on next, and on the next step it's going to ask me to choose the category. So mine is going to be a grocery store, so I will just choose this and I will click on create. You can also search for any type of category you want, alright? It doesn't matter, you don't have to choose from these categories. And over here it's asking me to fill the bio, so I will do this. I sell food. So I'm just writing random bio, but you need to fill this bio correctly, alright? I don't have a website, so I will just leave that. I have an email, so this is going to be my email. So right now I'm not going to enter my location, so I'm just going to go for no hours available. You can choose whatever you want, alright? After all of this is done, you can just click on next, and on the next step you can add a profile picture, so I will just click on next. And it's asking me to enter a phone number. Now I don't want to enter a phone number to my page, so I will just click on skip, but if you want to you can do that. And right now I don't want to invite anybody, so I will click on next, but if you want to you have to click on invite friend. So I will just click on next, and I will just click on next again, and then basically click on done, and my Facebook page should be created just like this. It's switching me to my page account. So that's how you guys can create yourself a Facebook page. It's as simple as that. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.